This is the intro to the intro to the intro, whatever you want to call it. I need you guys that are watching to hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to us. You know, I want to keep bringing content. I want to keep, you know, showing the channel what we do. And I can't do that without you guys. So just do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, like the video, you know, and just share it with somebody else. You know, we bring a lot to the table here. Before this video starts, I need you guys to watch this full intro. The EG Hatch, 39,000 mile EG Hatch build is completely finished. I had a lot going on between racing, getting my cars ready, getting all these other cars ready, between ordering parts. I do a lot here, right? I should have probably recorded more. I need a filmer. I just don't have enough time and I can't put it together right now. Maybe in the near future. But the complete car is finished, and again, I apologize for not getting the full build, but the car is completely done. That way, you guys are gonna see the dyno video drop. It was previously recorded before I went to the track, but everything doesn't go together smooth, so that's why I'm making this intro. I'm gonna show you guys the car before you guys see the dyno video. The car is completely done. It looks great, it looks awesome. And again, I apologize for not getting everything because the full exhaust is on, the engine's running. I didn't get the first startup. You know, like, the stuff I should have got, I didn't get, but the dyno video is dope. And probably by the time you guys see this video, this car might be gone. I just don't know yet. That's why I'm not gonna really talk about it yet. But it might be sold, or I don't know yet. But I'll show you guys the car before the dyno video starts. You guys can check it out. I did a vibrant exhaust on the back. Control arms, everything's on. Suspension, rear spoiler, wheels, mud guards. The car ride height is set. Full alignment's already done. Interior is completely finished. Shift box in there with the carbon plate. Radio block off. I mean, we kind of kept the interior stock. So for the most part, still waiting on those ITB horns. But for the most part, this car is completely finished. This has like the first molding style front lip, black housing headlights, amber corners. Overall, I mean, you guys can check that out. The car looks amazing, honestly. It looks like it has 39,000 miles. The body looks really good. We did the mirrors. I think it looks great. So, and again, I'm gonna start this video, the dyno video. And again, I apologize. Usually I get everything, but it's been so much here, like between racing, and it's only 3 of us in the shop, or 4 of us in the shop, and then 1 person in the front. It's like, there's a hell of a lot of cars here. But I'll stop ranting, and again, the car's finished. So, you guys get to see that, the dyno video. I'm still waiting on the ITB horns, but let's get into the video.
What's up, guys? I had to take Sonic's camera real quick. He had to go do something real quick, so I took the camera. We got the ITB car strapped down to the dyno. I figured I'd start recording so you guys won't miss anything. Hopefully I'll be back in a few minutes. I think Jamie's just getting everything situated in the map, and we'll start doing some pulls in a couple minutes.
Yeah, what we doing, bro?
We're about to tune this shit while Sonic's gone. Maybe put some nitro in it so you don't know. Bring this car on, you race me in the way. I wish the people in the camera could actually hear that shit. Like, the way ITV sound is like music.
Bust that ass, bitch.
You ain't busting my ass with this. Everything busting that ass.
What, you trying to leave early?
Yeah!
He said nah.
It's 8 o'clock! No way! Where's the ITB horn?
We going raw, baby.
I didn't even video the car being started up!
I just recorded.
We got you.
What?
This is our YouTube, baby.
Bro! Oh, y'all trying to race.
I think you know what the best part is? It's me and you are doing this and recording. You go ahead and put that starter in.
Maybe the camera back.
Yo, whose idea was this though?
70 something right there.
3 what? 270. Nah, 227.
That's first pull.
227. What you mean that ain't? Whose idea was to tune this?
Mario.
Mario was with me.
Oh. Text us.
Yo, Jamie, whose idea was to tune this car tonight?
It was really mine.
Huh?
It was mine.
It was yours. Oh, you must not got anywhere to go tonight. You about to get kicked out. I left to go get a starter for my street car. My street car is supposed to go on a dyno next, and are we still tuning the street car? No, right? No.
So you're trying to get everything out the way. What time is it?
Like 8 o'clock. We're gonna be here till 2.
It's only 8:20, bro. We're just getting started. What time do you usually leave the dyno?
Now when we gotta go to the
2
track.
o'clock?
Yo, Cat. Deadass, whose idea was this?
I got to mention this Mario.
Ooh, he's snitching.
Why you smiling so hard? Yeah. Let me see a cartwheel? Nah, I don't do those no more. Yo, Mario, let me see a cartwheel. Hell no, I got most of the right now. Yo, check out the chef.
I'm a little late to my own dyno session, huh?
A little late to your own fucking party, bro. How's that happen?
What time is it?
Check.
Time for us to go home.
10:12.
10:12. I don't know how. I don't know how I got stuck here. This wasn't even supposed to happen.
We got stuck out.
Because of who?
I got. Where is everybody?
My brother's not here, Cat's not here, nobody's here anymore, so. A little late to the dyno session, had a few issues. Spark plug, change some oil, but we're good to go.
I've been saying that all week.
274. 274. What the white car make? 265.
Yeah.
265. You got the leave.
You're gonna get the lead.
No. You got the leave motor to motor.
I'll still bust that ass.
Motor to motor.
I'll still bust that ass.
He got the lead. Jamie, motor to motor, right? Yeah. White car or gray car?
No, that white car.
That white car got some jam, huh?
That white car got some jam, but this one sounds better. This one actually holds the power a lot better too.
274.
You know what else is gonna hold good?
What's gonna hold good?
That L you about to take.
I ain't taking that L. 274 ain't bad. Ain't gonna be a bad street car.
You know what our tradition is, right? We started today.
Burnouts?
When you get off the dyno, we go down the street.
We didn't finish cutting the hood yet. You can take the hood off?
Take the hood up. Hell yeah.
You down. You hood rat.
Jamie's with the shit
Ja-
today. I like this version of Jamie. From Hess to the Chinese spot.
Which Chinese spot?
You took the right car, I took the right car.
I might smoke you. I might just turn the bottle on just by accident. You know me.
Yo, who left the bottle on? That's
Who
gonna
left
be
the-
his story. Yo, you ain't closed the bottle?
I'm gonna go 280. I'll go 280. 280. We're missing the horns, the ITB horns. They're still at powder coat.
It's been a while. They had them for like 2
Like
weeks.
3 weeks. I think it's 3 weeks now. 39,000 mile hatch ruined, huh?
It's not the same car.
Way to go, J-Rock.
It took
Jamie,
like-
39,000 miles ruined, right? 39.
It took like 10 minutes to get up to 80 miles an hour in the third gear. You think it's still gonna happen?
We're missing some ITB horns. But check this interior. Interior is bone stock. I don't know. It don't look like a sleeper. It ain't no sleeper. $39K. You got the brake. I'll take this tomorrow. Rock.
Bring the Type R out. The Type R out. Right?
Type
I
R
drive the
against.
white shit.
Yeah. Okay. That's the race. What
Heads
happened?
up.
Winner.
$100 heads up.
All right. Cool. Well, winner can't race this though. Well, how about this? Winner jumps in this car, right? Whoever wins that race and then races the white car motor to motor. It's a good race.
So you're gonna drive 2 cars then?
No, so. Oh, he's trying to say I'm gonna. No. So you saying I'm gonna win?
You're saying
Winner.
winners jumping in?
Yeah, winner's
On the
jumping.
other race?
Yeah. That means I'm gonna jump in. So that means you just said
You're saying this car's slower.
this car is it's faster. That's what I'm saying. The winner gets to drive the faster car. That's all she wrote.
No, not yet.
Yeah, that sounded like a little something. It's not like it had nitrous, like double VTEC. That's probably the best pull this car I think made. This shit froze. Final number 274.
Do is leave it strapped up, and then I'll see if I can find the horn somewhere. The other stuff that I have.
You did a quick buy 10, 15 with horn. Final number 274. That should give you a run for your money real quick. Like real quick. Yeah, should made 10 more wheel than the white car. Maybe a little bit more than 10. Free smoke, J-Rock.
Exit 10 right now.
No, I don't got no hood. Yeah. Jamie, gray car, right? Gray car over the white car, all motor to motor?
Motor to motor, yeah.
Yeah, I'm with that. Type R over the white car, nitrous to supercharge.
That's gonna be a close one.
It's gonna be a good one.
It's just full of tears.
It's gonna be good. I bet money that you probably missed one gear.
I cut the white car when you wasn't even looking.
Which? Oh, you are lighter though. The white hatch is lighter than me. I didn't even think about that. But it's okay. Last horsepower number is 274. We're missing the ITB horns. But I guess we're just gonna leave it at that. 274 is decent power. I thought it'd pick up like 310, but I don't think you guys get.
You were saying something about the ITB horn extends the runner on it. That's probably why.
And probably alignment.
Yeah, in alignment.
Hey, why you got on that purse, huh?
Well, listen, with that being said, the bag is secure. I'm out of here. Have a great night.
Wow. My boy got Gucci bag.
It's Louis.
It's Louis.